Okay friends, today we are going to discuss about the linked list of data structure. As you know, data structure is the combination of two words, data and structure. How you structure the data, it is the main scientific technology of the data structure. This is the main creation of data in a proper format, that is data in structured format. So now we are going to discuss a part that is linked list. In linked list, a list is a dynamic data structure consisting of sequence of nodes, where each node contains data and a reference link to the next node. Data and the reference link to the next node. So we can connect all the nodes to each other as shown in figure. So a node is the linked list, holds the data values and the pointer, that is pointer, which points the location of the next node in the linked list, like this. This shows the location of next node. This is pointer, and here data. This is head. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of linked list, that is singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. There are three main types of the linked list: singly, doubly and circular. What is singly linked list? This is singly linked list. They are singly connected to each other. A data part as well as an address part. Data part and address part. Data part and address part. Which points to the next node for the sequence. Address part goes to the next, points the next node of the sequence of nodes. The operation we can perform on singly linked list are insertion, deletion, and that is traversal. Now next is doubly linked list. This is the doubly linked list, having both sides directions, pointer in both sides, forward as well as backward. For each node, they are connected in both directions. So we have previous data and next data, previous data and next data. This is doubly linked list because we traverse in both sides. So, in doubly linked list, each node contains a data part and two addresses. This is and this is. Here and there. Two. Go and come. So, we have one for the previous node and one for the next node pointer. So, there are doubly linked. Then, finally, this is circular linked list. Why it is called circular linked list? Because at the end of the node, we again connect point out to the first node. The end node point out to the first node. So this is called the circular linked list. There is a circle. First node, second node, third node, and again third node connected to first node. This is circular linked list. So last element points out back to the first element. This is called the circular linked list. Thank you.